I'm cool. For those of you who need my spiritual work, send me message. If you are into hookup, you go out, you don't have customers, send me message. If you are a Yahoo boy, you are doing street for a long time and you don't cash out, send me message. If you are a married woman, you want to keep your husband to yourself, you send me message. If you are a married man, you want to keep your wife to yourself alone, you send me message. Whatever business you are doing, if it's not going well, you send me message. If you are a businessman, your business is not going well, you send me message. If you are a prostitute, your business is not going well, you send me message. If you are into hookup, you go to club, morning and night, you are dancing. Nobody come to approach you. Turn on your camera, my daughter, there's no time. I'm going to the orphanage job. If you are into hookup, you go to clubs, different clubs. You go there, you waste your time and dance. You dress up and look nice, spray nice perfume and go to club and dance and dance. No man come to approach you. You go to different club, you change clubs from club to club. No man come to approach you. You think it's just an ordinary hand. Those are spiritual problems. Those are spiritual problems. You go to different club, no man come to take you home. No man come to approach you, nothing. These are spiritual problems. Just, you send me message. You send me message. Those are spiritual problems. You go to club, you dance as a hookup girl. You go to different club, you stand in the road, you don't find customers. Others are benefiting and making money. You don't see customers. You waste your time by going to different, you don't find customers. Where others are succeeding, you don't succeed. You think those are just ordinary hands? Those are spiritual problems following you. You send me message and cleanse for cleansing. You send me message. If you are a married man, your marriage is not going well, you send me message. I work for Yahoo boys, I work for hookup girls. If you think your husband is cheating, or you think your wife is cheating, you want to catch her cheating, you send me message. You send me message. When I do the spiritual work for you, you will just meet your husband cheating with any lady outside. They will be like this together. Pastor Eddie will only be the one to come and release them. They will just be like this together. So if you want to catch your partner, either your girlfriend or boyfriend, if they are cheating on you, you send me message. Pastor Eddie is the only one doing it. And when you catch them, nobody can separate them. Pastor Eddie must definitely come and separate them for you. You send me message of spiritual works. Those useless men, they are looking for
Pastor.
Hello? Oh.
My spiritual giant.
How are you doing today?
I'm so happy, Pastor. I'm good. I'm so happy to see you.
I saw your message. You sent me message.
You know, I miss you, Pastor. I'm not lying to you. In like sometime I wake up for night, I miss you, like I swear. No joke. I said, where did the pastor disappear to now? What happening?
I'm good. I'm just relaxing. So that no, you don't this thing thought to be here to preach every time. I get tired.
I know this small children where they disrespect too. You see how you look fresh. You look fresh when
these children come to insult me, but this insult I don't take it personal. I don't even send it. I have other things doing, going to my church and other things. So they are insult. Oh, me that came to TikTok for the first place to preach. I know why I'm here. So they are insult. Those are children. That's everything today.
Everything is always good. Everything, as you see, I'm just trying. You know, I do shopping. I just my things arrive. I'm just trying clothes, cap. I'm trying things, shoes. You know, I don't go to work now, so I'm home shopping and just, you know, trying clothes. That's what I do these days. Eden, can you know your phone?
You are shining every day. Enjoy life.
I've not even put on makeup, Pastor. Life is good. Life is good. Life is sweet.
You enjoy life.
I enjoy life. Life is sweet. When I'm done here, I'm going to go and buy myself champagne. My son told me not to drink alcohol anymore, but today I feel like I have to drink something. You know, I need to celebrate my life every day. I need to celebrate.
Celebrate and live happily.
Yes, I need to celebrate. Pastor, for you coming live, Ida, can you bring me a pen, please? Mama, look for a pen and bring me a pen.
I saw your message. You said, Pastor, come online.
I miss you.
I don't send what people. I'm a man. Women, we have things, but we have things we are doing. Different things. So when you don't find me, I might be doing one or two things. I'm a man. I
understand.
Expect a man, pastor like me to be here every time.
I understand. Yeah, and you are building the orphanage home too.
No, even write me. I say you are this. You need to be active every time. I need to be active every time to be preaching for you. Yeah. When I see message, they will say, Pastor, please come online. Come online. You don't think about me, my own business. I should come online and be preaching here.
Pastor,
Tomorrow
don't say like that. You know we are miss you. We your true member. You know we miss
come
you.
here. You don't care about my own business. I should be online.
Pastor, come on now. You know that we miss you.
Yes, they miss me. I know. But they don't. I know myself. They don't know me. So I need to monitor my businesses. So I can't use
And your
every time.
orphanage home as well.
Yes, I can't use every time to be here. So I use time to be. I give time when I'm not. I can preach.
You're looking fresh, Pastor. Look at your skin and your lips.
Bro, don't measure. These are spiritual lips.
Look at your eyebrow. It's hot.
God bless.
My pastor.
You are shining.
Pastor, if not that you are a man of God there, I would have thought that you have done juju to me. The way I'm thinking about you at night.
You said?
Should I repeat again? I said, if not that you're a man of God, I would have thought that you have charmed me. Because I think about you every night.
Really?
Yeah, you saw it in my messages, you saw. I always miss you, you know. Seriously, Pastor, this is not online capping, you know. Like I say, where is Pastor Eddie? I'm looking for him on Instagram, I'm looking for him everywhere. Where have he disappeared to? What happened? I was worried though. I wanted to contact Lizzie K. If we can send somebody to come and look for you in Benin. Because, you know, these days, the way the world is going, when you see people you care about, you don't see them, you need to look for them.
Oh, see, my lovely followers, sometimes I don't know. Sorry about that, but I cannot have time to be here every time. I'm not a social media person.
I know.
I'm not a social media person. I can't be here every time. Yeah. So for those of you who have good as a pastor, I'm still with you, but I can't be here every time. That's the thing you need to understand.
But you know, it's these crazy people that make you now not want to be online. It's all these people that is.
Oh, not because of anybody. I'm a pastor. You know,
I know you are a powerful man of God. I know that, and you are building an orphanage home.
Nobody.
You are building home for the homeless.
Not because of anybody disrespecting me. Me, I don't. What's the name again? Mother, what? I don't send people.
You know my name, Joyce. I changed my name to my son name. You know my name. My name is Joyce. You know that. And then I changed my name to my son name. My son is King. So my son name is King.
A man like me, a pastor like me will be sending what people are saying. No, that's not. I check my businesses, so I can't be here every time. So when I see people say, Pastor, we miss you. Yes, you miss me. I will sometimes I say, oh, my followers and my members, I just left them aside. But don't worry, I will be active.
You have to be coming, but we are outside. You know, we are not in Nigeria. We don't know where to see you now without online. You know, and you know we truly love you. We don't love you because of anything. We love you for who you are. So when I don't see you,
last time, yeah, in the night they called me that somebody, I don't know if it's people or what, they want to put fire in my church. They put fire.
Then we have to do donations. Then
it bought half. No,
Pastor.
Don't worry. They're already working there. Someone finished. They called me in the night. I don't know the hate people. They hate me in this country. They went to my church. They set fire there. I was called in the midnight that Pastor, your church is burning. Pastor, your church is burning. I have to leave in the midnight around 3 something. I arrived there only to find out that
will not be well with those people.
Only to find out the vigilante in the street told me that they find some men running, driving a car. They come with this car.
I hope they didn't put bomb there. I hope they don't put bomb.
They told me they saw some men there. They came with some some Prado Jeep. Men, they set fire in my church.
I hope they did not put bomb.
No, then why would they put bomb?
You know they put bomb with TB Joshua church before. I hope they don't go and drop bomb there. All these crazy people.
Don't bomb them, man. Don't bomb. I was caught in the midnight around 2 something. They said, hello. The vigilante in the street there because they guard my church. I gave them my number in the church there because they always come. I told them to be moved. They called me midnight. They said they saw some men that came with this thing. They said, men, not boys, men, people's father. They came to my church. They set fire there. It's not for the good Lord. The fire was just, it was.
They were sent by the devil. But they don't know that you are more powerful than them. They were sent by the enemies. And they don't know that you are much, much more powerful than them.
What have
They
I done
don't
to
know that.
what have I done to this men in Benin? What have I done to this men in the world?
This man, please leave my pastor alone, no. Leave my pastor, all these people, these wicked people. Leave my pastor alone, no. We that we are all over the world, we love him. You people should leave him alone. You people are making him not to come online, stressing him. This man is building orphanage home to better people's life in Nigeria. You people don't like good people. He's building homes. He's building road. He's helping the less privileged people in Nigeria and all over the world. He's praying. He's delivering people. What do you people want again? This is how they killed Jesus Christ. They will never manage to get you, Pastor. Even Jesus Christ,
I don't know what I have done to the men. I don't know. What have I done to this men?
They should leave my pastor alone or me before we send something to them. They should leave you alone. Because when they stress you like this, you cannot come online. Me, I worry. I'm worried.
No.
I'm always awake at night.
People are not, don't say that. The reason why I don't come online is not because people are stressed. Nobody is stressing me. Nobody have even stressed me.
The church, they go and put fire. Is that not stressing you?
I have things I'm doing. I have my things I'm doing. I need to focus on those things. You don't expect me to be here every time. I'm a man.
Yeah, but if you focus on those things, what about us now?
Oh, what about us?
Pastor.
I will come here and pray to you.
We are looking for you, yes. Pastor.
Oh, yes. I will come here and be preaching to you people. Once in a while, you don't expect me to be here every time.
Not every time, but at least.
To monitor my churches, my businesses.
At least sometime, not every time. I know that you have to focus on your businesses and your orphanage home. I know that. But sometimes too, you come online, so we don't get too much worried.
Oh, that's okay. No problem. No problem.
If you are being far away, it means that you're not considering us who are worried about you.
I consider you all my followers. I can't be here every time to be preaching.
Even only hearing your voice, Pastor, it gives me joy. I have not eaten since morning. After talking to you, now hear your voice, now I will have appetite to eat. You don't understand. This your voice, you always echo in my head. Seriously, oh. That is why I say that if not that you're a true man of God, I would have thought that you charm me, because I always think about you, Pastor Eddie, Pastor Eddie. Even my son, Eden, my son always asking me about Pastor Eddie also. I'm always looking for, I want to ask Lizzie K if we should send somebody to Benin to go and look for Pastor Eddie. Or we go there, we find where and buy tickets and come to Nigeria by ourselves. At least, you know, even if you are not coming on, I post something.
If you even send people to find me, it's very difficult to find me. You can't, they can't find me just like that.
Trust us now. You know. Me and Lizzie K together look for you. You say we cannot find you.
No, you can't.
Hey, Pastor, you are talking to the boss lady. Don't forget to.
You can find me. You can. Oh, no problem. I trust you.
We miss you, Pastor. Have you heard from Chris and all the rest of the people?
Oh, they are living life. I have not heard from them. Yeah, everybody.
Okay, Pastor. Let me give me your account. Let me send you something for wine, so you can get yourself a chilled bottle of wine to chill down.
You said if I heard from them, Chris.
Wait, let me take your account number, because now I'm using the phone, so I cannot do it while I'm on the phone.
If I can't find anybody here on the live stream, they are living their life. So when they have anybody, I just came here today. I can't be hearing from them. I meet most of them here.
Pastor, drop that account again.
So if you don't find, you find them here or you don't find them here, it's either they are facing their life. Me, I don't know. I forget people easily, and I know people easily.
And why will you forget people easily now? This is your members, your true members.
Not them. I'm not talking about them. I'm telling you how I live my life.
Okay.
When I'm getting close to people, I'm just still there. I don't send people. That's what I'm trying to say. When we are getting closer to people, we continue getting closer. But when somebody just do anything, maybe I don't know how to put it to you, so you don't misunderstand me.
I will not misunderstand. Put it in the right way.
I'm getting closer to you. When anything, you just maybe. I'm not the kind of person who send people. If you don't write to me, let me say, if you don't write to me, I don't write to you. If you don't call me, I don't call you. Those are the kind of person I am. I don't send people.
Oh, that's not nice, because the people who care for you, sometimes you call them too.
That's what I'm telling you. You care for me, you call me, then I will call you. If you don't call me, I don't send people. That's what I'm telling you. It's not that I'm not the kind of person. Oh, imagine now even if, like me now, if you don't invite me your birthday, no matter how close you are, maybe your party, you are doing marriage. Somebody like me, you are doing marriage, you are doing birthday, and we are close. We eat every day together in a pot. We do everything together in the pot. We do everything. Even if you are doing marriage or anything, you don't invite me. I will never ask you. I will never say, oh, tomorrow is your marriage. I will gently pass and go my own way. Even if we are in the same room eating together, you must definitely tell me that the kind of person I am. It's not pride. It's not anything. I give myself my respect. So when you don't send me message to check on me, I don't check on you. Okay? That's the thing I'm trying
But
to
anyway,
say.
you know I do check on you anyway.
No, I'm not talking about you. I'm telling you I live my life, not you or any other. I'm not talking about any other person. I'm not that kind. I'm the kind of person. I need same attitude and everything, same energy you give me. That's what I'm giving back. I don't send people. You can't be. That's what I say. You can't be doing me evil. I expect
Yes,
you to.
a call is coming in. Let me pick the call. I will come back again. Okay.
No problem. That's the kind of person I'm trying to tell you. I don't send you. If you are a human being, you don't call me, I can't call you. If you are close to me, you are doing marriage or burial or anything, you don't tell me, oh, you give me personal invitation. And you will see invite those are the things, maybe you are my friend. Though I'm trying to say about friends, those people making friends. You will think, oh, you are close to me, you are close to me. I don't send you. If you don't tell me, maybe you are just doing one thing. You are jumping around, you will say, oh, it's my friend, he's seeing it. Maybe you because I'm your friend, or you say, oh, is this one now sending me? You will say it's my friend. It's my friend. He's saying what I'm doing. He will come. I will maybe your best close friend. I will be the one to disappoint you. That's the kind of person I am. Maybe you are just saying that's why as a human being, you are a human being. You learn how to talk to people and invite people, your friends. When you are doing something, you have a friend. You don't think, oh, this person is close to me. Maybe it's just close to you. Anything you are doing, it's always there with you. Don't think those people are close to you. When you want to do something, always give those people you think they are close to you, give them personal and matured invitation. Go to their DM or call them. This is something I'm doing. Give them personal invitation with respect. No matter their age, no matter how big they are, give them respect by invitation. That's how you know. Don't think, oh, this one is my friend. You are doing something. Maybe tomorrow is your marriage. You don't even sing with it to your friend. You are just preparing. And your friend is always seeing it in your WhatsApp status. Or always seeing it from other, or hearing it from other people's. It's just seeing it, and you will just expect those men to jump out and come and do everything. Those are poor men. Those are poor men behavior. It is only a poor man that you don't invite in a party or any occasion. They will run there. It's only a poor man. You don't do this, but they will always be there. You see, when big men, you give them special invitation. You don't expect a big man who you are not feeding, who is doing well for himself, or a big woman, a woman who is doing well for himself, or a big man who is doing well for himself, to see what you are doing, and you never gave him an invitation, a personal invitation, and you expect that big man to just wake up in his house and put on clothes and come and meet you, or come there. Those are hungry men. That's why I say learn how to invite your close friends and people. Don't think, oh, this person is close to me. That's why most of you get it. Your friend turn into your enemy someday. You just surprised that your best friend you are moving around with. You are thinking, oh, this is my party. This is my marriage I'm about to do. It will be hot. This is my best friend. Then that day will come that your best friend will not be there. You will not be like, this person. People will not be asking you, where is this person? Where is this person? You will start saying, oh, it never come from my marriage. And you never know you are the cause. Because some of you, this is how you change your friends. You invite your friends. Give them respect while inviting them. Personal invitation. Respect them. Respect them. This is why I have a lot of enemies by friends and different places. I have them as enemies because when they do things, they don't invite me. I mean, I don't even pay. As in, when you do things, they just do it and they maybe I will never say. I will not tell you. I will just say it. I will never write to you if you are close to me. Even if you post it, even congratulations or anything you do, I will not say it to you. I will just mind my business. I'll be doing my things. So anything, if you think we are close. If anybody think they are close to you, they will definitely respect you and let you know whatever things they are doing. So don't move close to those friends who always want you to be the one to just pull yourself there. Respect yourself. When people are not feeding you, you don't have any. If people are not feeding you, You respect yourself. Be big for yourself. Because some of you friend, you will just see your friend who is doing something. He never invites you. He never told you about it. Or you only find it on their WhatsApp status or anywhere. You will just fool yourself and downgrade yourself around there. Some of you, they don't invite you in a birthday party. You will just go there. Oh, your birthday will be hot today. We are going to shut it down. You are fooling yourself. Your friend will just post, oh, tomorrow is my birthday. Happy birthday. You being the fool, you will just rush there. We are going to shut your birthday down. Tomorrow is my marriage. You are fooling yourself. Give yourself respect. People who don't respect you, don't respect them. You are his friend or you are a friend. She need to give you a personal invitation, a respect. He respects you. You are a friend does not mean he respects you. That's how some of you downgrade yourself. Your friend will be doing birthday. He never invite you because you are a friend. You will just jump up, wake up the next morning, you want to shut down. You have not seen those are poor men mentality. You have not seen those things before. What are you going to the birthday that you cannot afford yourself? We billionaires don't send you. Anything you are even going to do in that birthday, they can avoid it 10 times. For that marriage, they avoid it 10 times. So you respect yourself. When friends are doing something, they don't invite you. Don't show up. You keep to yourself. You maintain your space. That's why you know you are standing your ground. Don't be fooling yourself. When people are not bringing you closer, don't bring them closer. Stand your ground. Those things is only for broke men. Or broke men run for things, they don't invite them. When they are doing party, marriage, burials, things, or anything, they don't invite those broke people. Maybe anything or anything you are doing, they will just want to be there. But when you are living when you are living where, you give yourself respect. Let them give you why they are inviting you. Let them respect you. Let them respect you while they are inviting you. Don't just jump everywhere. You need respect for friends. That's why some I know knowing me being a pastor, knowing to me, I have a lot of enemies because they'll say, oh, this pastor is most of them will even say you have pride. It's not pride. It's self-esteem. It's not pride. You give yourself self-esteem. When you don't invite me, even if you don't tell me about what you are doing, I will just see it and leave you there. Pass and be doing my things. What have you done that we cannot do? Or what are you thinking? What you are doing, you give us personal invitation as respect. You tell people like we. What have you done? What have you done that you want me, a big man for myself, to just jump to your DM? It's not pride. When I say this, I know a lot of people will say, oh, this pastor have pride. I don't have pride. I respect myself. There's difference between a human being respecting himself than a human being downgrading and fooling himself, and a human being having pride. Because people see in these days, this generation, people see respect as pride. And when you are respecting yourself, people see it as pride in this recent generation. When you are respecting yourself and minding your business, they see it as pride. One thing you need to know, there are people who don't like talking too much, and people who they just mind their business. There are people who don't even have friends, who don't like talking too much. But when they are living their life, you will see it as pride. It's not pride. If you are hating some people for no reason, you are hating yourself. Most of the people you see today, you think they have pride. Most of them are the most softest people. They don't even have one pride. They are just too loyal to be in their lane. They don't need anything. They just want to be in their lane and respect themselves. Those are not pride. So if you find people who are doing their things, you see it as pride. You are just still childish, or you are just still a fool. Learn to know that people are different. There are people who don't. Let me say, there are shy people. They are introverts. There are people who don't have time to talk, who don't have time to do things. So don't see those people as pride. Don't see those things as pride. And there are people who respect themselves. When people are respecting themselves, you must see it as pride. No pride. When you will get to a stage where you just want to be alone. You will get to a stage you want to be alone. So that's life for you. Don't misunderstand people. Don't misunderstand people. People may not. Everybody will not be like you. The way you are doing that, you like the way you like crowded places. That's not. Some people like crowded places. There are people who don't like crowded places. The way you like that crowded place. There are people who don't like crowded places. When you invite those people who don't like you, might say, oh, this one have pride. No. Learn to understand people. Learn to know that everybody are not the same as you. Just know that everybody are not the same as you. Don't use yourself to compare other people. Don't use yourself to compare other people. People are not the same like you. If you like giving, there are people who don't like giving. If you like doing this, there are people who don't like doing this. So you need to know that. And as a man or a woman, learn to give your friends, mostly your close friends or people you are laughing with, even if your friendship is not tight, you are just laughing with them. Learn to give them a personal invitation when you are doing anything. People you are laughing with, don't just come on. Maybe you have a friend, you just think he will turn up, but most of them will not. It's only a hungry man that jump out from his heart. We just put on clothes. You don't have things doing that. Oh, I'm going here. You respect people. A man who is already doing well. A man who is doing well for himself, living a life very well. He don't care about what you are doing. So what you are doing is not big to him. He have his own plan and his own life to live. So you are a woman. You learn how to invite people personally and respect other people. You see me here, people come here, they insult me, they do things. It's not that I can insult you, do you anything, mess you up, lock you up, beat you up, do you anything, and lock you in the prison, and lock you anywhere, or beat you up. When you come here to insult me, it was because I'm a very calm person and a respectful person. I respect people. That's why I want people. I respect people. I don't like disrespect as a pastor. Apart from you calling me this, I don't disrespect people. I give people respect. I give people respect. I don't disrespect you. Apart from anything, you respect people. When you know about life, you will know what I'm telling you. In Nigeria, in Africa, in other countries, they downgrade. Good people are downgraded. When you are too good, that's not what people. When you are too good in this life, they will use you. That's not what they are looking for. When you are too good, they will use you. You are always a good people they always see good people as fool. When you have too much soft heart, people only see you as fool. Then when you are rude or you are bad, they will respect you. But when you have too much good heart, they will see you as fool and they will use you. Let me hear for this one. In life, you learn. Don't when you are big for yourself, not pride. Learn how to respect yourself. Have self-esteem. When people don't tell you things, don't put yourself there. When people you have self-esteem. When your friends are doing anything, they don't invite you. Don't even ask. When your friends are doing anything, they don't invite you. Don't fool yourself and be asking, oh, when are you doing this thing? Because some of you friends, you don't have common sense. When your friends are doing things, you are the one to jump out to be asking them, oh, when is this thing? When are we going to do this? You don't have respect for yourself. You jump out, you'll be asking, when are we going? Your friend is doing it, he never invites you, you are the one disturbing him. Do you think, let me tell you something, when you will know you are big, it is when your friend gives you that personal invitation. You will know, or even apart from big, he respects you. I don't know how you go to friends who don't give you respect for invitation while you go there. You are just fooling yourself. When they find you, when you are special to them, when you are definitely special to somebody, it will definitely reach out to you and say, this is what I want to do. That is the respect you are special to him. When you are close to somebody and he's doing something, never give you any, you are running there. You are just fooling yourself. When you come there, they will look you less. You respect yourself. You are not hungry. You are doing things for yourself. Some of you, your friends will be doing something. They never even invite you. They just posted it on their WhatsApp. They are doing, let me say a marriage or a birthday. They just posted it on the WhatsApp. They have never invited you. You are the one that will you will just reply, oh, this your birthday is going to be hot. We are going to shut it down. You are fooling yourself. You will just see your friend post. I know in your mind you think, oh, this is love. Some people, immediately you start doing such, that's the day they start downgrading you and disrespecting you. You respect yourself, but most of you see it as love. You think, oh, you have love for this your friend. You're downgrading yourself. You will just see something. If your friend posts, oh, tomorrow is my birthday, tomorrow is this, my marriage, he posts it on the WhatsApp status. Mind your business. Mind your business. Let him bring it to your DM. He will forward it to you. Oh, sister, brother, tomorrow is my birthday. From there you say, oh, happy birthday. You wish him. Don't talk too much like a fool. Just say, happy birthday. Oh, happy marriage life. They will be the one to do. Oh, it will not be the one to say, oh, I would like to see you there. Then you say, oh, okay, when is the date? That's how you give yourself, you will be matured. Don't be your friend will just send you something. You are already shouting. We are going to shut it down. You are just fooling yourself. We are going to do this. You respect yourself. Have self-esteem. You are not a hungry people rush for occasions. Big men don't rush for occasions. Hungry people rush for occasions because those behavior you are behaving when your friends post something on the status and you are the first to comment. You are just running there to bring. It will see you you will downgrade yourself. Hungry people see those. Hungry people rush towards things like that. You are not hungry. When you see things like that, mind your business. Do your things. Let them respect them. Let them respect you as you respect them. Some of you downgrade yourself. Let me hear from this ones. Your friend will just post something. It's not even up to a minute. You are the first person to be there. You want to shut down. You respect yourself as others as you respect yourself. Let me hear from this man. Respect yourself. Hungry men rush to occasions. When you are doing well for yourself, don't let them give you personal invitation. Respect yourself. If I see you doing one thing now, even if you are close to me, we eat together in one plate. We eat and drink together in one plate. We do everything together in one room. We are together in one same room. If I wake up in the morning and pass that, oh, you are doing marriage in front of our house, or you are doing a birthday party in front of the house, or you are doing anything in front of, I will generally pass you and go my own way. You never told me. I will never come there and say, I will go my own way. The only respect when say, for example, you called me and say, oh, pastor, maybe I'm passing by, say, today is my I will generally come and say, oh, I serve it, then I will see do and leave. If you respect people, you will know how to mingle with people and invite people. Learn that. Some of you rush to different places. You don't respect yourself. You don't respect yourself.
Hello, good afternoon, Pastor.
Good afternoon, you are blessed. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Pastor.
Loyal people, as if they have, loyal people don't have pride. There are people respecting themselves. It's not pride. There are people you find today, they respect themselves. It's not pride. People are just respecting themselves. Hello?
Yeah, Pastor. I just want to check up
Say
on
how you
you.
doing today? Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera.
Okay. Why is it not turning? Good.
Turn on the camera. It's not pride. You respect yourself and give people respect. Put my phone here. This is a fake pastor. Oh, good morning. I'll be very busy. Oh. I will be going to the orphanage soon. The phone is disturbing me. Hello? Hello? The phone is disturbing me. Yes, good morning. You are welcome. You are blessed. How's everything? Yes, I'll be very busy. So you can see now I'm about going to the orphanage home to check the orphanage home and build it from Nigeria. Yes, I'm going to the... Hello? You respect yourself. You are not hungry. Give yourself respect. This is a fake pastor. Give yourself respect. You are not hungry. When people don't, you are not hungry. You learn to respect yourself.
Hello, Pastor D.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Daddy. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. You can't greet. Where are you streaming from?
Australia.
Oh, Australia. That's why you can't greet. Because
No, I say hello. I say hello to you.
Hello. You say that you greet pastors. You can say good
Hello,
morning, daddy.
Daddy.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Daddy.
Don't blame you people. Joke with you people. You just say hello, daddy. How's everything?
Okay, good morning, Daddy. Sorry.
Good morning. You are welcome, my daughter. How's everything?
Everything is fine.
You are blessed. Turn on your camera. You say you are streaming from where?
Australia, it's 9:27 p.m. I'm in bed.
Oh, turn on your camera. You don't have light?
No, we'll get light, but I already turned it off. It's hard for me to get up.
You are in the bed?
Yes.
Oh, is there a man there with you?
Me. Pastor Eddie, why you asking me that question?
You said? My life was funny. Is there a man there with you? You are laughing.
Pastor, no, my man is watching TV.
Your man is watching TV?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So why are you here today?
I just want to say the advice he's giving us is good. Because I remember I used to be like that. But due to the economy right now, Pastor Eddie, go feel, they wait for invitation now. Hunger. People want chop. How you expect them? How do you expect people?
These are the things I'm saying. Like hunger, the hunger you are talking about now, there are people who don't feel it. There are people who don't feel the hunger you are talking about. There are people who are living well. They don't feel it. This time you are saying that the hunger is everywhere is sad. This is the time a lot of people are there are some people who are making more money this period. You are saying sad. So life is staged. Everybody are not the same. You know it by yourself. Other people might be making the money this period very well.
So what I was saying, Pastor Eddie, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay. So due to the economy, you don't expect me if somebody don't give me invitation. If I see food, I go chop now. Make I not chop.
You said?
What I'm saying, if somebody not invites me to their birthday, you want me not to go there? You don't want me to go? If I'm hungry, what do you expect me to do?
That's what I'm saying. I said when these are hungry people who rush to uninvited places. That's what I'm saying. It's the same thing. The only people who are hungry will go for rush to places they don't invite them. I'm saying the same thing. When you are hungry, you go.
Okay, so now if I'm hungry now, can I come to your house and eat?
Of course, you can come to my house and eat.
Okay. Okay, Daddy.
The thing you are asking me now is the same thing I'm saying here. Only hungry people go to the places they don't invite them. They just go to uninvited places. They'll go there. You never invited them. You will see them there because they are hungry. When big men who can feed themselves, the people who are they stay in their lane. They respect themselves. So we are saying same thing.
Okay, Pastor Eddie, I need your advice.
Oh, be fast, okay? I will be leaving just now going to the orphanage. Advice about what?
Okay, you're doing well with that orphanage. May God bless you.
Man, don't mention my daughter. I'm doing the work of the Lord. Don't mention
it's good. You're doing well. So I have this, I have a sugar daddy that has a pot belly, and I have another one that is single. So now I want you to give me advice. Who do you think I should get married to?
You said?
I have a sugar daddy.
Yes.
And I have a, how do you call it? Those young boys that is looking for sugar mommy.
Yes. Oh, those little boys.
Yes, but who do you think I should get married to?
Those little boys that are looking for sugar mommy. Are you up to sugar mommy?
No, I'm saying I have a sugar daddy.
Yes. Then you have those
and I have another one that want to marry me.
You are laughing. What's funny?
No, Pastor, I need your advice now. I'm confused.
You ask me a simple question. You ask a question. You said you have
belly or
you have those small boys who are looking for sugar mommy. Hello?
No, you don't understand.
Make me understand.
Can you hear me? My network.
I can hear you. Make me understand.
Okay, I said.
Am I going to put this phone before I leave? Make me understand.
Pastor Eddie, can you hear me? Yes? Can you hear me?
Oh my! Let me understand.
I'm saying, I have a Alhaji or sugar daddy.
Yes.
Then I have another serious boy that want to marry me. So between them, who do you think I should get married to? Even though I'm married, but I want to have another options. 4 options. Is that a good idea?
It's a good idea. Your husband have money?
My husband is rich, yes. He's very rich, like Dangote.
So what's funny? Why are you laughing?
No, my husband is rich, like Dangote. No, it's not joke, serious.
So you want to have other options?
Ah, yes, like Regina husband.
Okay. So what do you want me to do? If it's good
I
to
want you to give advice now. You've been giving young girls advice, so we need advice.
you are asking me now, I don't even know yet. I can't hear, I can't understand you. I don't even understand your statement. You said you are doing this, you are laughing.
No.
That's why the people that made it to call me a fake pastor. You are saying something, I cannot even understand what you are saying to. You make me do it. Oh my God. Don't know the people I find here.
Pastor Eddie.
How am I going to put this in before I leave here? Hello?
Good afternoon, Daddy.
Oh, good afternoon. You are welcome, my daughter. How's everything today?
Fine, but I don't know why I go call you Daddy because myself, I be old woman too. I don't know.
You say you don't know why you will call me daddy.
Yes.
Then you are a whole woman too.
You know, I carry my problem come for you. Me, you not cut me. Because I've done waka the whole world. I don't see solution. I know say if I come with you, my solution will come. You know?
Cannot be your problem to me. Don't forbid that. Some of people, you don't know how to use this. You don't know how to use this. You brought your problem to me.
You know why I tell you? Because I be 65 years now.
65 years, you are not even up to my first charge.
Pastor Eddie, 65 years, I'm telling you, running to 70 years I am now.
65, just 65. You are not even up to my first charge. You are dragging age with my second charge. So,
How old is your first child?
sir?
How old is your first child?
How old is my first charge?
Yeah.
Is that supposed to be your concern? Tell me why you are here and leave my charge alone.
Because I'm still searching. At least I still want to get married. At my age, do you believe that I have not gotten married?
At your age, how old are you?
I said I'm 65.
Oh, 65, still a little age. So what have you been doing?
I don't know. The time just passed me like
You're 65 years old. Do you have a child?
if I don't marry, how will I have a child?
How will you have a child? These are some of you ladies, you play too much, you waste times. When you make little money for yourself, you look for one man, have charge and move on again. There's nothing special in that marriage too much. If not for children, most people will never think of getting married. If not of children. There are people who want to, if you are good in sex, as a lady you are thinking of settling down, you settle down. As a lady you are not thinking to settle down, look for one man, give birth, just one child, and move on with your life again.
Yeah, because as it is now, I'm afraid.
You ever since you were playing around?
No, because I used to date people's husbands. That has been my mistake. I used to date people's husbands. You know, I don't like single men.
The people's husband you were dating, you never so let me give this one charge and drop it there.
They're not
as a
agree.
lady, let's stop that. As a lady, you are here. You know yourself. You know where you are pushing yourself to. Not you, any lady here. You know where you know what, you know the kind of life, the kind of future you are building, you want for yourself. You know if you say, oh, I would like to be a married woman. No, I want to be alone. You know about yourself as a lady here. So you now knowing about yourself, you know, oh, if I wish to settle down someday, or I don't want to settle down. For those of you who want to settle down, look for somebody, settle with them. And for those who don't want to settle down, they just want to be enjoying their life and live life. Go after you enjoy life to certain stage, look for one man. If you know you just want to give birth and move on with your life again. Drop one child. I'm not talking to you. Drop one child with those men and move on with your life again. So for those of you who want to settle down, who feel like you want to get married and stay there. For those of you who feel like no, you want to enjoy life till eternity, give birth to one child and live and start living your life. And when you want to give birth to this one child, just look for a big man. If you are a prostitute, you are into anything, You think, oh, one day I would like to have my own church. Look for one big man, drop one church there, and start your life again. Don't be there thinking maybe, oh, before you go into the street, or as a lady, you are supposed to know the kind of life you want for yourself. You think, am I going to settle? I would like to settle down in a marriage home. I want to marry. Okay, that's good. For those of you who just want to enjoy, there are people who just want to enjoy life to eternity. So you still know your lane.
Advise me, at least give me hope now. Give me hope now.
As a prostitute, you are thinking to become a prostitute, or you are thinking to go into prostitution. Before you think of going to prostitution, try to become a single mother. Before you think of becoming a prostitute, give one chance, then go into the street. If
Are you referring to me?
Oh, I'm not referring to you. I'm talking something else.
Okay.
I'm saying something else. I'm not talking to you. As a single mother, you are as a lady, you say, oh, this is what they call pastor fake. They say, look at what a pastor is preaching. I will keep preaching. Those are my preachings. As a lady, before you go into prostitution, you just say, oh, you don't want to settle down, but you want to have children. You don't want to settle down, you want to have a child. Look for one big man or one boy or one rich boy or one big man. Give them one church, then go into the street. If you are a lady, you are already under a man's roof now. You know that man cannot take care of you. You are under one little boy. Those little children they call Yahoo boys who have not settled they have not those little children they call Yahoo boys who have not balanced their ground. They are looking for a wife. If you are under anyone's roof now, they are under a man's roof now, he cannot take care of you. You being the lady, you are seeing the future is not even bright. You are seeing the future tomorrow is not bright. You know, most of you ladies know. You know that, oh, I'm under this roof now. You are suffering there. And you still come on social media to make your friend know that you are happy in your marriage. Don't be fooling yourself there. The earlier is better. Leave that useless man's house now. For those of you who went to Yahoo boys' house, for those little Yahoo boys who were touching money that they were hot, you think you are finding a husband, and now your eye is seeing things now. Maybe you got married to one Yahoo boy when he was hot. Those little Yahoo boys, when people are waiting looking for money, they are there doing Yahoo little children. Maybe you rush into one's house, you got married, and you find out this is no longer going well because maybe it was hot when you got married, and you are still under that roof, thinking, oh, you have charge for him, and you are suffering locally, and he's meeting you. You are suffering under that man's roof now, and he's meeting you, but you are thinking of what people will say. What people will say will not save you. Move out of that useless man's house and go outside and look for money, or go outside and stay. If staying alone will help you, leave that charge for him or take the charge. Leave that house. Don't be under that broke man roof and thinking everywhere we go. You are loving him. You are loving a broke man. You are crazy. If he's broke, leave him and look for money. When he make money, come back again and stay. If he still love you, come back. If you can move out, because a lot of you ladies, you are under a man's roof now. You are doing love there, because now as I'm preaching, some of you will still be doing love. There's no love in this country. There's no love. Don't be fooling yourself. Don't be suffering yourself as a lady. If you got married to that man when he was doing anything, it was hot. Now it's no longer hot. Leave him and go outside and settle down.
So, Pastor Eddie, I come to you to advise me.
Because some of these ladies are suffering low-key now. But most people don't know.
I can't even sleep. I cannot even sleep in the night.
They are suffering low-key. You see them happy. Leave that man's roof and go and settle down.
I'm not in any man's roof. I'm not in any man's roof. I'm on my own.
You calm down. You leave that man's roof now. If you are under a man's roof and things are not going well as a lady, pretending is the most thing that kills a lot. Don't be under a man's roof. You are suffering, and you know this marriage is not going well, and you are thinking of what people will say. You don't want to live. You are thinking of what people will say. You will keep wasting your time and delay your time and suffering. You will just be suffering. Leave that man's roof. Okay, continue. I'm hearing you. Let me hear from you.
So, when I was 50 years, a man came to ask my hand in marriage.
Yeah.
And this man, he don't even have any money. I rejected him. When I was 40 years, the same poor man came to ask my hand in marriage.
Yeah.
The same poor man, this one don't even have a roof under his head. He came to me, he said that I'm the love of his life, that we should suffer together.
You don't know the love of his life. He's a very useless man.
that I should suffer with him, that both of us should build a future together. I rejected him. So I keep waiting. In that process, you know, I love money. Like I love money. I can't live without money.
Now is the time, bro. Now the time I've not run out. There's still time.
65 years.
65 years. That's what your age is. 65 years.
Yeah.
You are pretty like this. No, what was the concern with man? There are men every year.
That photo you are seeing just a makeup.
5 years. So what do you want now? I want to know what you want. Are you looking for a man?
Yeah, I'm looking for a husband. Do you know what? Let me explain what I am passing through now. What I'm passing through now is like I cannot breathe. You know, sometimes when I see my age, I see my friends with their husbands, their kids. You know, I feel like I don't know. It's like the whole.
Do you know that those same people you are seeing now, your friends you are seeing, and most of them are still angry? Let me tell you something. Life is stage. The way married people are happy, same way single people are happy. Single people are sad, same way married people are happy. All marriage are not the same. You may even go into marriage now and end up in the sometimes it's even better to be free, to be single than to be in a wrong relationship that will ruin your life. The same way you see married people are happy, that's the same way single people are happy. The same way you see some married people are sad, that's the same way some people. Everybody will not get married to a good man. Some people will not have a good marriage home. So marriage will even ruin your life.
Do you think
God know the best for you? Never regret life. This life is once.
No.
Let me tell you something. Life is just one. When people die now, a dead man is already gone.
Yeah.
Then you enjoy life. You do anything. Everything is not about enjoy life. When I say enjoy life, the time you have in life, live with your life. Anything happens anytime, any day. So don't think of what people will say. Even if you don't get married, don't be thinking of what people will say. Everybody will die. Think of everybody is living. Whether you get married, you don't get married, you do this, you don't do this. Everybody is dying. And when you are dying, you are leaving nothing behind. You are leaving everything behind and go with nothing. So don't think even if you get married, live your life, please yourself, be happy. If the highest you do now, you look for a man, put in your house. If you are looking for a man, be there with him. Even if you put a man there in your house, be there with him, live together. So most people don't think of, oh, my friends are saying this. You don't think of what friends say. You live life. Life is one. That your friends that they are married now. They are married. They have children. They have this. All of them will die. Sorry, don't misunderstand me. I'm not insulting your friends. So. What I'm trying to say that married people now, they will die. Single people will die. Life is one. Don't think of anything. People you owe nobody anything. Live your life to the fullest, and it happens any day. Everybody will pass out just one day. So you don't need to think of, oh, my friend has passed me. My friends are doing this. My friends, no. Life is one. Everybody is dying. So live your life to the fullest. If you need a man in your life, you look for a man. Be with him there. Do everything within there. Live the time you have in life, the time you have here on earth, live it happily. Live your life as if when you live your life as if nothing is bothering you. Then when every day, one day, everybody goes. You go back. So you live everything here. So don't be pressured or don't be thinking too much. Life is one. Everybody must not get married. Everybody must not do this.
Yeah, there was a time early last 2 years. There was a time a man came to me, and the man, I'm 3 years older than him. So he asked me that we should move and start living together. And already he has children already. So we are living together. If I made any mistake, he will call me old woman. Any little thing, he will call me old woman. Say because he's just managing me.
So you are streaming from where?
What do you say?
So you are streaming from where?
I'm in Europe.
Oh, Europe?
Yeah.
Where in Europe?
I'm in Spain.
Oh.
So he keep insulting me. I cannot eat. I can't sleep. He can't go out with me. But I'm 3 years older than him, but he look more older physically than me, you know? I think he don't like me, so I decided to move out. Now I'm living alone. I'm leaving my house alone. So that picture you are seeing there is just a makeup. Naturally, physically, I'm 65 years old.
Are you up to 1,000 followers?
Yeah, I have 1,000 followers.
Turn on your camera.
You want to see me on camera?
Yes, of course. Turn on your camera.
Would that bring a solution to my problem?
Of course. Turn on your camera. Please, let me be fast.
I can't turn on my camera because I'm not properly dressed.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still lying down in my bed.
No problem. Okay.
So I just need your prayer. You should pray for me. Like now, I'm not hoping that I will still get husband tomorrow. I don't think
will
I
not
will
pray for
get
you.
married.
You turn on your camera. You said no. I should pray for you. How am I going to pray for you without seeing you?
Yeah, do you hear what I'm saying? That I'm not dressed. I'm just lying down in bed.
Put on your clothes there. Are you not in your house? Are you in my army? Are you in somebody else's house?
So without me turning off the camera, you cannot pray for me?
I cannot pray for you. My prayer is not for free. I know you have got my powers for. I give instruction of how I pray. I'm praying for you. You don't tell me how to pray for you. I'm the one praying for you.
Do you want me to pay for the prayer?
I never said pay for the prayer. I said turn on the camera so I can see you.
Or can you marry me?
If I can marry you.
Yeah.
I'm a married man.
So because you are telling me to turn on my camera, that's why I'm asking. If you promise me marriage, maybe I will go straight and turn on my camera.
Okay, have a wonderful day. Since you don't want to turn on the camera, if you want me to pray for you, you send me a message. Okay, let me hear from other people before I go to the site.
Okay, thank you very much, Pastor.
Okay. Enjoy yourself. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much.
Need to visit there. Be calling me. The engineers are already working there. Yes. You live life to the fullest. Live your life to the fullest. Don't say what people will say. Everybody must not get married. Everybody must not do this. You live your life to the fullest. Don't complain. You say your friends are getting married, you are not married. No. Live your life to the fullest. Everybody that is living life now, they have been destined. God destined that this is how God already said, oh, this is how this person will end. This is how this person will end. So you can't change it. So anywhere you find yourself in life, be happy and be grateful. Be happy and be grateful anywhere you find yourself in life. God already set it. This is how you will end. This is how this person will end. So when the life is going that way, that's how it will go. So don't always be happy and be grateful. Don't be complaining, oh, your friends are getting married, you are not getting married. You never came with your friends. You came alone to the world. Your friends, they came alone. You came alone. So be happy and be grateful. Because some of you are pressured by your friends too much. You are pressured. This is how we find this is why we find broken home these days. Broken home. Because a lot of you children, you are pressured. You will see your friend getting married. You yourself, you know you are not ready for marriage. You are not financially stable. You don't own anything for yourself. You will just find your friends getting married. You don't own anything for yourself. You are not financially stable. You don't even have anything for yourself. Because your friends are getting married, you jump into marriage. Tomorrow you want to bring your problem to single people. You will start, if you start bringing your problem to single people, you rush into early marriage and be bringing your problem. People will be advising you. People, you don't listen. No, you will just see it as if they are. Nobody is envying you. They are not envying you. Stand your foot. Stand your steps before thinking of marriage. Marriage is not something of a. It's not a day job. You stand your foot. Stand your steps. Stand where. Marriage is not a day job. You just rush into a side. You stand yourself where before you say, oh, let me settle down. Not because your friends are getting married, you want to get married. Nobody will pay your bill for you.